So these are Lamentation polling units. Today, March 18, 2023. This is where we voted the last presidential election, and before the INEC people came at 10 o'clock. The INEC people came at 10 o'clock, but before they came, can you see those that canopy that is outside there? Yes, that canopy. The area boys, the APC thugs, were trying to ensure that that's where we set up the canopy for the INEC, and we insisted and said no, that they should come inside the exit gate here, where you can see everybody is seated, ready to vote. We are all peaceful, no wahala, and this is where we did the election the last time. Now they insisted. So when INEC also came, the one INEC official kept insisting and saying they have instruction. We asked him, show us the instruction that was given to you that the police stations should no longer be inside the estate where it's secure, that it should be outside. Show us. He refused to show us. He said he was going to make a call. After making a long call, apparently he called some police people to come, and when those ones came here, we reasoned with them, and the police people did like a poll and said, okay, look, majority wants the polling stations to be inside the estates. And he asked those people that wanted it to be outside to raise their hands, very few, and all of them did not even have PVCs for inside the estates. So the police guy told the INEC, oh yeah, INEC, majority wants it inside, go and set it up inside. The INEC guy went straight to his car and drove off. The time now is 10:26. We are all here waiting. There is no INEC official to ensure that we can vote. The polling table, everything is set, ready for them, but they are nowhere to be found. This is March 18, 2023 governorship and House of Assembly election. It's a shame what APC is doing. It's a shame. It's a big shame what INEC is doing. INEC should be ashamed. INEC officials and all the Nigerians working for INEC that are part of this conspiracy to disenfranchise people, they should all be ashamed. Shame on all of you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.